Welcome back. In this video, let us learn how to use the function upper and lower. When you have given this kind of data which has first name and the last name, these are the names of the employees. If these names have to be converted to uppercase, there is a function which is called as upper. You need to simply use the function which is called as upper. To use the function, enter equals, then use the upper and open the bracket. Select the name on which you wanted to apply the upper function and close the bracket. You will be able to see this name has been converted to uppercase. If I drag the formula, I will be able to convert all the names into uppercase. Now these names have been converted to uppercase. Similarly, if I wanted to convert these names into lowercase, then I can use the function lower, open the bracket, select the name and close the bracket. I need to use equals, function name and the name of the employee which I wanted to convert to lowercase. Once you enter, the name will be converted to lowercase. Drag the formula and all the names have been converted. I will copy the data and I will paste the data. If I don't do paste, you have the formula here. That is the reason I have to copy the data and paste as the values. When I paste the data as the values, it will not contain the formula. So you don't see the formula anymore here.